Guys, we're going to the Bata Caves. My little boy. Yeah, we have a cow. This is so fun. Let's go. We're in the tunnel. Guys, nandito ulit kami sa Bata Caves. My little boy, that's mga walk. Let's go. May dala na kaming saging kasi mahal dito ang saging. So, ayan. Then, big statue. There is that. They're selling a banana for the monkey. Baby, you can see the monkey there. Let's go. This is the entrance. Baby, go. Where's the monkey at? There's no monkey yet. That's the big statue. We didn't go there yet before. Let's go to Daddy. Look at the beautiful. Oh, that's talking parrot. Is that a talking parrot? Wow, so big bird. Oh. No, you yes. If you want to take a picture, you need a payment.
Please come, ma'am. Sit, please come. Sir, sir, coconut clap at the yes, he can say. Leave.
It's a bird. It's a pigeons. Yeah, so many pigeons here. Let's go there. So many. Oh look, they're selling a parrot. 6 piece, 10 ringgit. Look at this, so beautiful. Wow! Wow! Let's go there. There's so many. Okay, let's go in there. Green, pink, blue, red, purple, yellow. Let's go upstairs. Shugo, please look for Eugene. Eugene, later you will walk back. I will not go there.
So guys, tara akyatin na natin tong napakataas na hagdan. Pero ang ganda niya, iba-ibang kulay, makulay yung hagdan. Ito nga palang place na to is parang ano to, Indian culture siya. So let's go guys. Salita ako ng salita dito, yung pala wala ang sounds kasi nga naglolo ko yung sounds ng DJI ko, yung microphone kasi nasira na yung una. So eto namang pinalit ko, wala din. So guys, let's go. Napakarami palang dito foreigner guys. So guys, hindi ko pala sinama dito si baby kasi nga ang taas-taas ng hagdanan. So si Habi din naman ayaw niyang sumama kaya ayaw nag-decide na lang ako na lang mag-isang pupunta yan guys. Tingnan niyo ang ganda ng cave. Sa labas pa lang, grabe ang taas niya. Siguro malaki yung nasa loob nito guys. Tara, tingnan natin. Halina kayo, kasamahan niyo ako umakyat. Ako lang mag-isa dito kaya medyo nahihiya ako niyan magsalita, pero kinakapalan ko yung mukha ko kasi nga Di ba? Nagva-vlog tayo. Kailangan nating medyo makapal ang muka. So, eto na nga pala yung bukana ng cave. Ayan, may ganyang design. So, let's go, guys. Sobrang kapagod dito. Ayan. Mag-isa lang talaga ako. Hindi ako sinamahan ng asawa ko. Tamad. At pagod na daw siya. Nag-ikot-ikot kasi kami. Tapos sobrang init pa. Kaya ayun. Ayan no. Ang daming taong umaakyat. So let's go na. Hala, ang ganda. Oh, kitang-kita yung city sa baba. Ayan guys. Ito ang bungad ng cave. Ayan, may mga upuan dyan. Pwede ka dyan mag-rest. Bawal nga pala dito ang mag-yosi. Ayan na. Ang ganda, tingnan nyo, ang taas-taas ng niya. Yun pala, parang nila yan dyan. I don't know kung anong tawag dyan. Bawal dito ang magsigarilyo, guys. Ayan, mayroon din ditong convenience store sa taas. Yun ang maganda. May mga tindahan dito, hindi ka magugutom, hindi ka mauuhaw. Tapos, mayroon din mga flowers, yung pang-alay sa mga gods nila. Ayan, may mga souvenirs din dyan. Ang daming souvenir dyan. Ayan, guys. So, tara, pasukin na natin ang cave. Bato Cave. Ito yung pinakamataas na Bato Cave. Mataas, pero ang laki niya din. So, let's go. Ayan.
Valley Dayvanya Murugan. Okay guys, I'm going back now. Guys, they have a dark cave. It's not yet open. Oh, maybe they were planning to open it soon. So I'm going back now. Look at that so big statue. Look at that. Oh, baby, so me. Oh, the easy, kitty. Oh, mommy, no. So guys, not allowed to wear like this here. If you wanna go up there, it's not allowed. So we're going back home now. The train is coming. They are selling a lot of things there up there. So guys, we're going back. I don't see any monkey. They said maybe because of the hot weather they are staying in the forest at this time. But until now there's no monkey. So I went up there. So far guys, it's not allowed to wear a sexy clothes there, even pants. You need to buy some like that. So now we're going home. Look at the beautiful. Wow. Let's go. Oh my god, that's so annoying, Daddy. I don't have any good picture. I don't have any picture here. Wow. So let's go. Wow. Oh, look at that. You went there before that. No, later. Walk. Look at that, so many souvenirs here, food and anything. No. Look at that, baby. Look. Baby. Look, so many birds. So many birds, look. Wow. Are you the monkey? Oh guys, so many birds.
So guys, nandito na kami sa train, pauwi na kami. Sobrang init, ayun, walang monkey, kaya sobrang init daw kasi ng panahon pala, kaya walang monkey. So ayan, ang aking makulit na baby, gusto laging pakarga kay mami. Ayan guys, hindi ko alam, may dala pala siyang ipit. Ay god, alam nyo ba, nasa mall kami, kasi dumaan kami ng mall, palakad-lakad ako doon, tapos bumili si Habi sa store ng ano niya, yung sombrero niya. Pagtingin ko sa salamin, may nakaipit na ganyang ipit sa likod ko. Hindi ko alam, si baby pala nilagay. Tapos ang ano pa dyan, yung ipit niya is lumang-luma. Oh my goodness, nakakaya yung makulit na batang yan. Oh my god.